Here we go. Video number 2. How you going? You're back again. Alright guys, what we have here is my son Francis. Say hi, Frank.
Hello.
Okay, here we have a post and the level. And Frank is now going to learn how to put these things in. Alright Frank, you can pick that one up. Once again, that's a 6mm post, so she's got a bit of weight to it. Yeah, we can run either way, Frank. Probably that way would be the best way to run. Now, of course, Frank has to decide where the post is going, and we have, as you see, Frank, we have a mark there.
Yep.
So whenever we do these, we always mark them up so we can see which side. Where are we? Yeah, right there, so we can see which side of the line the post is supposed to be. And we know on the post up there, the post is supposed to be the inside of this red pink line. So yeah, I'll hold up these lines. You can get that underneath. Now, bring her over. Sorry about the sun, guys. Whoop, that's close enough for the moment. Now what you want to do is to get the hammer. Now if you see you've got one side higher than the other, that's why it's leaning over like that, because this side's higher. So if you give it a hit down, whoop, whoop, now what we need to do, if you hold that post, push that post over to more straight, now knock that side down. Right, that's it. Let's see, it's a little bit more plumb that way. Okay, it's not still looking too bad. So what we need to do is to get this cap off for a minute. You can see if you just tap the cap off. That's it. So you can get the level onto it, put the level on. Let's find out where we're at, because we can reach both lines. I'm going to get away. The sun's on here. Alright, well you can see she's got to go over. So you push it over the plumb, Frank, not the level, this post.
Yeah.
It's got to go that way a little. Okay, so what we need to do is to level it up a bit more, so give that bracket another hit. Okay, and now we've got to knock it over this way. Oh, we also need to plumb it up that way. Alright, what I do first is knock it into that line there. You're going to have to hold on to the top, because all you do is knocking the bottom over, the top over. Okay, a bit more at the bottom. Keep going, don't worry about the top. It's the bottom you got. So if you put that on there, oh, that's not too bad at all. Pop, that's not bad, and she's almost just touching, which is what you want. Okay, but now we've got to go the other way. So what we need to do is to get it more plumb that way. So again, hit it on that leg. No, not that way. You got to pull down. Yeah, hit that side. Okay, now we can check that. Okay, it takes a little bit of effort, takes a little bit of practice. She's got to go your way a little to get plumb. So we've got to go another 5mm up the hill. So you want to hold on to the top of that post. No, you want to go up the hill. You want to go that way. The post has got to move 5mm up the hill.
So,
yeah, the bottom's got to go that way. Okay, because it's plumb and it's 5mm off the line. So that means she's 5mm further down than what we want. We want to come 5mm this way.
I hit it this time.
That's right, you want to tap it up the hill. Whoop. That's easy, 5mm. Now if you plumb it up again, lucky you got a magnetic level. Okay, we're a little too far. Okay, so you've got all we want to do is just touch the line. So when it's plumb, okay, we just touch. That's not too bad there. So give the bottom a tap down. Again. Whoop. Bounced a little bit. That's not too bad for a first start, because you're going to have to level it again in a little while. Now we just want to check the other way. So, okay, she's moved. Pull it back to where the plumb is. Yeah, whoop. A little too far. If you can't get it plumb, get that bubble working properly. And is it just on the line? It's just on the line. Okay. So she's moved again here. So what we do is we'll hold it like that. So we'll leave that for a moment, Frank. That's a good start. It takes a bit of practice. So now we'll work on the next hole. So the next hole is the next one down. So you can start mixing some concrete for that one. And what we'll do, you can drop that line, because that line over there is just held on with the end of the line, so you lower it so you get over it. All right, we've been out for a little while. Oh. All right, okay, now you guys that are looking in, listening in, watching, okay, this takes time, it takes practice. It's nothing that's going to happen in 30 seconds flat to get it right, and you don't need to get it right the first time around, okay, because the concrete takes a little time to set. As the concrete dries, it actually shrinks and will pull the post out of plumb anyway, out of level, so it's no longer straight up and down. So you need to come back a few minutes later, like 15-20 minutes later, and check to make sure that she's in the right place. So you get it really as good as you can and then leave it, okay, you're gonna let it go. Do not hold on to it. It's like a good cake. You've got to let it go, you've got to let it do its thing. You can't control it the whole time, because otherwise you'd never have a cake. This is the same, okay, like any good meal, you've got to let it do its thing. The concrete has to do its thing. It's got to do its shrinking, it's got to reposition itself the way it's going to do, and by doing that it pulls around the post, and then before it goes off you've got to get back there and give it a quick touch up to make sure it's in the right place. All right, okay, hope you enjoyed that. I hope that was helpful for some of you. We're moving on to the next one where Frankie there mixing some more concrete. Luckily he's 19, he's nice and fit, not like me with sore bones, sore legs, sore ankles. I'm pushing 60, so it's a little harder for me. I've got to get back to exercise, which I haven't done in 40 years. I've got to start doing it, otherwise I'm not going to survive the next 10. Alrighty, okay, well that's where we're at. We will leave you with that, and we'll come back to another one in a little while. Okay, thanks for watching. Click the like button if you would please, or subscribe, even better. I'd love to see you, and yeah, I've got to get these videos up and running again, so we can make things happen. I've got a lot of work to do over the next few years. I've decided to go back to work, so we're getting into it, and I'll show you a lot more videos as we go. Okay guys, thanks a lot, see you again soon, bye.